5 seconds to go. Start. Therefore, the notification constituting the ACB is unsustainable, suffers from malafidis and legal infirmities. Stop. When the Karnataka Lokayukta Act was assented by the President, that would prevail and the field occupied cannot be eroded and the respondents cannot trench upon the occupied field. Stop. It is nothing, but transgression by an administrative order to usurp the powers of Lokayukta. Stop. It is further submitted that the impugned executive order passed by the state government has indirectly diluted the powers of the Lokayukta and the ACB cannot function either as a parallel body or an alternate body or substitute the Lokayukta. Stop. Therefore, the notification constituting the ACB for a function already being conferred to the Lokayukta, is impermissible in law. Stop. Hence, the present writ petition is filed for the relief sought for. Stop. Para. This writ petition is filed by practicing advocate in public interest for a writ of certiorari to quash the government order dated 14th March 2016 issued by the first respondent constituting ACB as per Annexure D, so also subsequent supporting notifications dated 19th March 2016 issued by the fifth respondent as per Annexure E. Stop. Para. It is the case of petitioner that he is a practicing advocate for more than 15 years and he has co-authored a commentary titled within bracket Commentaries on Foreign Exchange Management Act, and Money Laundering Law, which is published by LexisNexis Butterworth. Stop. The petitioner is also a chartered accountant and has been a speaker in various forums on taxation laws and also on the law of money laundering. Stop. It is further case of the petitioners that the respondent numbers 1 to 5 by issuance of impugned notifications have caused closure of police wing attached to the premier anti-corruption institution in the state of Karnataka, viz., the Karnataka Lokayukta. Stop. The institution of Karnataka Lokayukta has been created under the provisions of the KL Act, which came into existence for improving the standards of public administration, by looking into complaints against administrative actions including cases of corruption, favoritism and official indiscipline in administrative machinery. Stop. The police wing attached to the Karnataka Lokayukta was known to be discharging its dual role, under the KL Act and also under the PC Act. Stop. The common man has immense faith in the institution of Karnataka Lokayukta and also its police wing, that too after handling investigation relating to mining scam. Stop. Further, the common man could have filed complaint against anybody to set the law into motion, especially under the PC Act, and there was no bureaucratic impediment or decision required to initiate the proceedings against a complaint. Stop. However, ACB was set up abruptly with an intention to take control of the pending investigation against the huge functionaries of the state, bureaucrats, etc. Stop. It also raises a very pertinent question as to whether the process, proceedings, investigation initiated by the police wing of Karnataka Lokayukta need any reconsideration by the ACB, and also how would such proceedings be completely taken over by another wing when these investigations are being completed by the police, which amounts to waste of public money and time and also would have deleterious consequences. Stop.